Hello everyone. Today our group will introduce you a system. Okay, let's start. There are five parts to introduce you. Boundaries, components, valuable properties, major components. Okay, the first one I will show you the boundaries. Okay, hardware and software compatibility. The operating system needs to be compatible with the mobile phone hardware to ensure that it can run and manage hardware resources such as memory, and storage correctly. And the second is user interface. The operating system provides the interface for user to interact with the mobile phone, including graphical interfaces, touch screens, physical button act. The operating system dictates the design and the functionality of the user interface. Applications access permissions. The operating system can set application access permissions to control applications access to hardware, network, and user data. This helps protect user privacy and ensure system security. And system resource management. The operating system needs to manage the phone's resources, such as memory, storage space, and battery. Operating system boundaries define how applications access and use these resources. Network connection and communication. The operating system provides network connection and communication functions, including wireless networks, Bluetooth, and sensors. Boundaries dictate how the operating system controls and manages these functions. Okay, the next part is uh, there are something inside or outside the system, but they are work closely very well. It's impossible to divide them, or the system will not continue to work. The the external components that receive, communicate, and take action to can be easily understood as the human body. While those internal components can be thought of as the human brain, thinking and controlling the body to act. All in all, they are independent. They are indispensable. Okay, next page, next part.
Next, turn to the components. A mobile phone usually consists of the following main parts: screen, battery, processor, radio module. These components work together to achieve communication, entertainment, navigation, and other functions.
Okay, this part we're talking about variables. So the first one is hardware. The hardware variable is one of them. For example, processor type, memory size, storage capacity, screen resolution, and etc. The second one is software. It relies on a variety of software to run and provide functionality. These software variables include version number, the installation of applications, settings, and so on. The third one is user. It needs to take into account the needs and preference of the user. Users variables include the user's personal settings, application usage habit, and notification preference, and more. The fourth one is the Internet. It needs to communicate with the network, so network variables are also important. These variables include network connections, status, signal strength, data usage, and more. The last one is location. It can obtain the location information of the device, including latitude and longitude, geographic location name.
Okay, so now let's study the properties of this system. Next page. And there are some properties in this system. First of all, what we needed to emphasize is the safety. For example, some systems will provide an application permission system to allow users to control access to sensitive data and functions or strictly authorize the encryption of certain software, thereby improving the security of the device. Secondly, this system also has compatibility. It ensures compatibility with different smartphone hardware and configurations. It also has the connectivity, which is to support various communications such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile network, and so on. Besides, it has updatability, which means each system regularly releases operating system updates to improve performance, fix bugs, or introduce new features. And the system allows multitasking, so users can run multi-applications simultaneously and switch between applications. What's more, the cloud integration integrates with cloud services for data backup and synchronization and storage. In short, the properties emerging from the system concretely demonstrate the advantage of the system, which is more helpful for our understanding of the system. The next part.
Okay, next to the major components, the key components authors that play a key role in the smartphone system include the first one is operating systems, controls and the fundamental functions and the interface of the smartphone. The second one is the App Store allows users to download and install application. The third is applications provide a wide range of functionalities from social media to productivity tools. The fourth is processor. That's what we are talking about. CPU executes the various tasks and applications on the smartphone. The fifth is storage, includes internal and external storage for storing data and applications. The sixth is RAM, used for temporarily storing running applications and data. Of course, there are several other steps, such as display, battery, communication modules, and camera. You can use a PowerPoint to understand the specific contents. These components work together to make smartphones versatile and portable devices. Thank you for listening.